Iflight Defender 25 4S HD, a Cinewhoop for beginners. The Defender 25 4S HD borrows a proprietary battery system from DJI's Avata, digital video feedback with onboard stabilized 4K recording and pre-programmed flight, normal, sport, and manual. However, the comparison with DJI device ends there. There are two different devices. Less than 250 grams. The Defender 25 4S HD is a device weighing less than 250 grams, much lighter than the Avata and without GPS. It is an heir to the ProTek range at Iflight with very similar propeller guards. It's based on the Blitz D25 F7 AIO flight controller, of which not much is known. Defender 25 1404 brushless motors and Defender 25 2.inch 3-bladed propellers. Characteristics: the device measures 11.2 centimeters diagonally from motor to motor for a total dimension of 15.8 by 15.5 by 6.9 centimeters and a weight of 180 grams without battery. The video part is provided by an all-3 heir unit box with its camera compatible with the DJI Goggles 2 and V2 for HD digital feedback. The box also records in 4K up to 60 FPS with image stabilization, a D-Cinelike mode. Perfect to come back with beautiful sequences without installing a GoPro on board, but Iflight claims to provide support for a GoPro Naked or Insta360 type camera. Battery: it's a 550 mAh 4S installed in the proprietary case that clips onto the Defender 25 4S HD and plugs in with an XT30 connector equipped with spark protection at the end of a flexible tab. The weight with this battery is less than 250 grams and the autonomy is around 6 minutes. Iflight also offers a 900 mAh battery which allows you to spend 10 minutes of autonomy, but the weight of the whole thing is around 280 grams. The manufacturer provides a charging base which requires a charger and offers as an option a charger specially designed for these batteries. And then Iflight ensures that the propeller guards are particularly impact resistant with a design that facilitates takeoffs on difficult ground and that the antennas are integrated. It's probably not the DJI antenna that is installed. Will it be possible to install a classic XT30 LiPo battery? No doubt, at the cost of an act fixing. Iflight does not indicate if the firmware used on the board is Betaflight. A turtle mold is pre-configured at the factory. Finally, the manufacturer ensures that all the connectors are easy to access and hope a little tackle against the DJI Avata. The price: the Defender 25 4S HD is available for pre-order at $486 directly from Iflight, excluding shipping and taxes. With a 550 mAh battery, it can be optionally equipped with a TBS Crossfire Nano RX radio receiver or Commando 8 ELRS 868 MHz or Commando 8 ELRS 2.4 GHz. It's also available in a complete RTF version with a Commando 8 ELRS radio control and a Goggles 2 helmet from DJI. It's also available in the complete RTF version with the Commando 8 ELRS radio control and a Goggles 2 helmet from DJI starting at $1,202, still on pre-order. The 550 mAh battery alone is $16 and the 900 mAh version is $23. Prices are expected to increase by 10% after pre-orders end. The little detail: the Defender 25 4S HD presentation video shows a DJI Goggles 2 headset being used with non-original DJI antennas. Interesting to my knowledge, these would be the first Goggles 2 compatible antennas.